Have you heard about the QEP contest?
Yeah, where you can win a parking spot for a week or even an iPad.
Really? What is QEP?
QEP is an action plan that is required as a part of the SACS reaffirmation process.
SACS? I just bought a dress from there this weekend.
No, SACS, Southern Association of Colleges and Schools.
So why is it important for us in JCC?
Developing a quality enhancement plan is an opportunity for JCC to recognize and improve issues that come up during the school self-assessment. The QEP is also an opportunity for JCC to enhance overall quality and effectiveness in our writing skills. In simpler words, this program will help students be heard. It gives students the help to discover, sharpen, and employ that voice in their academic, professional, and personal lives. We're all on the right path. Are you? As part of the do it again.